wanna walk like Tyra. I wanna look like Linda Evangelista. I wanna be Madonna. Get you on your knees like a preacher. I wanna be iconic. You've never seen anything quite like me. I wanna be iconic. I wanna be iconic.
Today we're doing a cute little get ready with me just because I've been inspired. I've been on TikTok, I've been on Instagram, I've seen a couple of things that I want to try out, a new hairstyle and a new makeup look. Both something that I've never tried before. Hopefully it all comes together. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like. It's been in several different styles and I'm here to do yet another. So it's kind of got different textures in different areas just because I've really been experimenting with it lately. Also, I have some time in between my next like protective style, so I think I'm just gonna, you know, play with it while she's out. Okay, first I'm gonna section this halfway, almost like I'm doing a half up, half down style.
I wanna be iconic. I wanna be. We're serving fish for lunch today. Spilling tea on Broadway. She's getting Princess Di in her freakum dress. She is khaki boots, passing in pinstripe suits. They are so passe. Wish they were snatched like me. My life is a runway. Perfect.
Now I'm gonna take some gel and put this bottom part up into a ponytail. And I'm gonna put that ponytail up like closer to the top of the section.
I wanna walk like Tyra. I wanna look like Linda Evangelista. I wanna be Madonna. Get you on your knees like a preacher. I wanna be iconic. You've never seen anything quite like me. I wanna be iconic. I wanna be iconic.
And I'm gonna fluff this out.
I wanna be iconic. I wanna be.
This part I need to section into two pieces and bring them down here.
I said what I said and that's on period. It is effortless, the way that I can switch. From George Clooney to Regina George, I'm everything you want more. My life is a runway, perfect plastic on display. I wanna walk like Tyra. I wanna look like...
And for now, I'm just gonna twist these off. I just need them out of the way. Now I'm going to use my other hair tie to make this into a ponytail as well. This one's going to be a little bit lower, like more closer to the part. And I don't think I'm going to use gel because I don't think I need it. I'm going to put a clip in the back of my head just because I don't want this hair to get caught in the bun up here.
Evangelista, I want to be Madonna. Get you on your knees like a preacher. I want to be iconic.
And then I'm gonna put this clip in this top ponytail.
You've never seen anything quite like me. I want to be iconic. I want to be iconic.
Then I'm gonna take this hair and gel it down to the sides. And I'm gonna need a few clips for this.
Walk, pose, shuffle, turn. So camp, we're about to burn. Marvelous. Walk, pose, shuffle, turn. So camp, we're about to burn. Paris, Notre Dame, them all.
Okay, trust the process because this little dangly piece down here is all that I needed. Oh my goodness, honestly this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side.
I wanna walk like Tyra. I wanna look like Linda Evangelista. I wanna be Madonna. Get you on your knees.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. My only regret is that I wish my hair was like really fresh from a braid out because I'm just losing a little too much curl definition, especially down here. But on this side looks pretty good. Oh my goodness, this period, this is about to be my new style, and I haven't even done baby hairs yet, so let me do that.
I wanna be iconic. You've never seen anything quite like me. I wanna be iconic. I wanna be iconic. I wanna be.
Okay, hair is done. It looks very well put together, but honestly, it took like 5 minutes. I was just kind of being a perfectionist, and I think once I do this again and again, it will take me like no time to do this hairstyle. And I love lengthening styles like this that make your hair look almost longer than it is. I also feel like it's very trendy. It's very 2000s. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with it now and move on to the makeup. So I'm gonna do my primer. Next, I'm gonna do my foundation routine, which is normally I take a lighter shade and put it on all the areas where I highlight, and then I take a darker shade and put it on the areas where I contour.
Say you love me, say it loud. Wanna feel you all around. Oh, who you are, just let it out. Baby, we got something natural. Can't deny it, it's just factual. I'm the question in the back of your mind that makes you wonder why you wanna hide. We found the meaning of life. Oh, this isn't a phase, no, it's in our DNA. It's in our DNA.
Okay, next I'm gonna add concealer. A little bit here, in here, and a lot of it here and here.
It's in our DNA. It's in.
And I'm gonna let the one under my under eyes sit for a little bit while I do my eyebrows. I'm going to add mascara to them very lightly.
Our DNA. Love is a spectrum. Let's get it.
Then I'm gonna add gel. I really want these to be big and fluffy.
A spectrum. Let's get electric.
I'm gonna take the leftover concealer on this brush and clean them up a little. Gonna add a little bit of hair and some empty spots with this.
The roller coaster ride. Drowning in darkness, you saw my heart.
Now I'm gonna blend out this concealer.
And now I don't have to hide. Say you want me, say it proud. We can block out all the sound. Oh.
Then I'm going to add another concealer underneath that one.
Need for any opinions now. 'Cause baby, we got something natural.
Let me take some of my lighter foundation, just a little bit. Cover up these highlighter lines I did earlier. No more white mustache. Then I'm gonna set this concealer with powder.
Can't deny it, it's just factual.
Then I'm gonna lightly brush it off. I don't like it to stay for too long. Makes my face super dry. Now it's time for contour.
I'm the question in the back of your mind that makes you wonder why you wanna hide. We found a meaning of life. No, this isn't a phase. It's DNA. It's in our DNA. It's in our DNA. Hey. Love is a spectrum. Let's get electric. Ride the roller coaster ride.
Just added some highlighter to the bridge of my nose. Then I'm gonna add some blush.
Love is a spectrum, let's get electric, ride the roller coaster ride. Drowning in darkness.
I hate that you guys can barely see it, but in person the blush is so bright. Okay. This looks so good. Okay, so she's got one orange lid and then a pink under eye and then a purple lid and a blue under eye. So orange, pink, purple, blue. Orange, pink, purple, blue. Orange, pink, purple, blue. First, let's put a little bit of this light shade on the lid because I really want it to show up.
Electric ride, the roller coaster ride. Drowning in darkness.
Let's start with the orange. I'm gonna use this one because it's the most orangey orange I have.
You saw my heart, and now I don't have to hide. Say you want me, say it proud. We can block.
Okay, the next color is purple, I said, right? Okay, let's do this one. I'm gonna take this one right here.
Out of the sound, oh, need for any opinions now. Cause baby, we got something natural. Can't deny it, it's just factual. I'm the question in the back of your mind that makes you wonder why you wanna hide.
This is looking really fun. Now I need a hot pink. I'm gonna be using this color right here. This is so cool. What's under the, oh yeah, blue. I'm going to use this one. Let me clean up a little bit of the lines down here. Should I add lashes? Okay, the lashes are on. The only thing that's left to do is to do the lip. So I'm gonna use a brown pencil to line. Then I'm gonna take a light pink lipstick and put it in the center lightly.
Spectrum, let's get electric, ride the roller coaster ride.
Then I'm gonna use a pink gloss. I wanted it to look really natural just because the eye makeup's doing a lot.
I wanna be iconic. You've never seen anything quite like me. I wanna be iconic. I wanna be iconic. I wanna be.
Wow, I am completely in love with this whole entire look. I can't believe I found 2 new favorites in one day. I hope this inspired you guys because it's definitely brought me out of my comfort zone a little bit with my hair and my makeup. And there's just so much inspiration on the internet. You guys should definitely try something new this week. I'm glad I did, and thank you guys for hanging out.
I wanna be